Hello everyone! In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to change the password on your mobile hotspot. First, we need to turn on the hotspot by scrolling down on the status bar and tapping on the mobile hotspot option to enable it. Then, long press on the mobile hotspot. Here you'll see options that we can adjust for the mobile hotspot such as network name, password, and band. Let's start by changing the network name. Tap on your current name. For demonstration purposes, I'll delete a last part and add the word hotspot. After that, below the network name, there's a field for the password. I have a default password set, which I want to change. I'll erase this password and enter a new one. Enter the desired password. You can watch a video on my YouTube channel how to create a strong password. After inputting, click on the Save button. The displayed process is for Samsung phones. If you have a different phone, the process may vary slightly, but it's generally very similar. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel and become part of the digital family.